Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a charming addition to any garden or patio, the Nacome Solar Garden Turtle Statue. This isn't just any garden decor. It's one of the best Mother's Day gifts for mom, combining aesthetics with functionality. Let's explore why this might be the perfect addition to your outdoor space. The Nacome Solar Turtle Statue features a delightful design with a succulent and 7 LED lights, perfect for illuminating your garden or patio at night. Powered by solar energy, it's eco-friendly and hassle-free, charging during the day to light up automatically at night. The LEDs provide up to 8 to 10 hours of illumination with a full charge. As you can see, the statue stands at 8.5 inches long, 4.52 inches wide, and 4.9 inches high, making it a compact yet noticeable piece wherever you place it, whether on a balcony, patio, or amidst your garden foliage. Its resin construction ensures durability and weather resistance, ideal for outdoor use. Many users have praised its ease of setup and use. Simply switch it on, place it in a sunny spot during the day, and enjoy the ambient light it provides at night. It's a great choice for those looking to add a whimsical touch to their outdoor decor without increasing their energy bill. What sets the Nacome turtle apart is not just its functionality but also its aesthetic appeal. It comes in a beautifully designed box, making it a perfect gift choice for various occasions from Mother's Day to birthdays and housewarmings. Let's hear what others have to say about their experience with this charming statue. To wrap up, the Nacome Solar Garden Turtle Statue is more than just a decorative piece. It's a sustainable, stylish addition to your outdoor space. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a thoughtful gift, this statue ticks all the boxes. Don't forget to check the links in the description if you're interested in getting one for yourself or a loved one. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments what products you'd like to see next. Until next time, happy decorating!